Hi, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, June the 3rd, 2021. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle, a number. Yes, it's number. Let me Number 2891. Alright. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then I need to compare, I think. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So the rest are O's here. Alright. Same as here. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So the rest are the ones. Alright. Alright. I think I need to compare. Yeah, let me compare. How about this row and that last row? 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. Need to compare again. Okay. This is almost the same. Yeah. This row and that row. Oh, 1 1 1 1. Oh, empty box. 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah, and now need to compare again. Yeah. How about this column and the second column? 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box, so 1 1 0 0 0 Oh, so we need to. Yeah, then we should switch these two numbers with a 1 here. This should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. A double 1. Here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Yes, finished in 5 minutes. Alright, great. Binary, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a few seconds with the last tectonic with 4 stars in this additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.